still nighttime, except for there's enough light to film this, and it doesn't seem pointless. And this is a pool. It's a good size. What?
Don't stand close. You don't want to fall in, Lily.
But Daddy fell the water, and I want to feel the water.
Okay, we'll put it over here on the kitty side.
Ooh, a hot tub.
Yes, there is one. Okay, so here's a shower head. And for some time, and for some reason, there's a bridge.
What is that? That
And this looks a lot like a hot tub, but it isn't a hot tub.
what?
Where's the hot tub?
There is no hot tub.
Well, there's something that looks a lot like a hot tub, but it isn't a hot tub. It's a little kid pool. Depth, maximum depth, 2 feet. No diving.